Alright, this video will demonstrate how to add multiple tracks to a video in Movavi. So you're kind of used to seeing this layout when you first open up Movavi. It's ready to start a new project. So I'm just going to go up here and add some video files. So I'm going to go over to my sample folder here. And let's say I've got this video track of wildlife. So when I click play, we just see some animals. We have a little background music. And now I want to place a track on top of this. So you can see as soon as I added this first video, it gives me another picture-in-picture overlay track. And then I also have my titles track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Add Media, and I'm going to add in this other clip to this. By default, it places it on the main video track at the end. All I need to do is move this up and place it just above this video track. But now when I play, you're going to notice that it puts it in this picture-in-picture mode. I actually don't want that. I want it to cover this whole video. So if I double click this video, you can see how this preview window changes a little bit. I can either resize this picture-in-picture, otherwise there's a pull-down menu here where I can actually change this. I can have it side by side, and then you've got different options here for how you would want that to look. But like I said, what I want to do is I want to do a cover. So I'm just going to click on cover, and now it fills that whole proportion with the overlay video. So my other video is still underneath here. So when I play here, what I want you to notice is that both audio tracks from the news clip and this wildlife audio are going to be playing at the same time. So, okay, so let's say I don't want that. Let's say I want one of the two audios to not be there. So let's say I don't want the news audio. What I could do is normally when I click on this, you can see how yellow is surrounded by both the video and the audio underneath it. If I just want to select just the audio clip, I click just that portion underneath the video, and now I can hit the delete key on my keyboard, and that will delete that audio. So now I just have the wildlife audio playing. Okay, so that's one way to do that. Now let's say I wanted to place another video track on top of this as well. So I could just go back here to Add Media Files, and I'll just put the wildlife on top of that again. And now I'm just going to take this and place it right over the top of my other one. You can see now it's stacking. And let's say that I want to get rid of this audio. What I want to do is place this just above. There we go. So it's kind of looking at that first marker. So this is on top now. And then I can trim this. And now I've got my wildlife video on the bottom. Right here, the news clip starts showing. And then right here, I've got picture-in-picture because that's the default over my news. And again, if I wanted this to go full screen, I can just double click, go over here and change this to cover. I can apply that, and now my wildlife should oops, I didn't apply. Cover, there we go. Now that it's covering, I can click apply, and now I've got wildlife on the bottom. I've got my news track here in the middle, and then this will change to the wildlife over the top again, back to the news track, back to the wildlife. So that's a way to be able to layer multiple videos on top of your foundation video.